Today I am going to explain you the concept of surface area. Already I explained in previous video. Already I explained you the surface area. Now I am explaining some total surface area of cubes having the following sides. Okay. First question, the side is 3 centimeter, and you have to find out total surface area of a cube. You must know the formula for total surface area of a cube, that is 6L square. L means side of a cube. Here L is 3 centimeter. Here L is 3 centimeter means in the place of L you have to put 3. Okay. Now 3 square. First you have to do the square. 3 square is what? 9. Means 6 9s are 54. A centimeter square. Okay, this is regarding the total surface area of a cube. Now I am going to explain you the next sum. Next sum is 7.2 meter. 7.2 meter. Side of the cube is 7.2 meter. Formula again same. 6L square. L is 7.2. 7.2 square. Okay, now see here, when you going to explain multiplication 7.2 means the answer is 5184, 5184. Where you have to keep the decimal point, where you have to put the decimal point, it is very important. See here, after decimal point here is a 1 digit, and in 7.2 here also there is a 1 digit, means total digit is 2. Total digit is what? How many total digit? 2. Means after 2 digit there will be a decimal point. Therefore I wrote it here 51.84. Okay. Now simply you have to do the multiplication with 6 and your answer is 311.04 meter square. Here square is there, that's why compulsory you have to write here square. Total surface area of a cube is 311.04 meter square. This is your concluding statement, and this statement carries half marks. Okay, now next sum is find the total surface area of a cuboids of length, breadth and height as given below. Means if they have given you the length, breadth, height of a cuboid, in that case you have to use the formula 2 into bracket length into breadth, breadth into height plus height length into height. This is very important. If there is no mention sign here, means there is a sign is of multiplication. Okay. Now see, length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Total surface area of a cuboid, put the values in the given in the formula. Okay, here length is what? 12 centimeter and breadth is what? 10, means 12 into 10 plus breadth 10, height 5. 10 into 5 plus you have to write bracket. Length is how much? Length is 12 and height is how much? Height is how much? 5. Means 12 into 5. Okay. Now do the multiplication. 12 into 10 is what? 120 plus 10 into 5 is what? 50 plus 12 into 5 is what? 60. 12 5 is 60, 10 5 is also 50. 10 5 is 50. Do the first you have to solve the bracket, and the bracket answer 120 plus 50 plus 60, the answer is 230. You are getting the answer 230. Now last step is what? You have to multiply that answer by 2, means you will get the 460 centimeter. 460 centimeter. If they mention in the centimeter, means you have to use centimeter. If they mention in the meter, means you have to use meter. Okay, it is clear to you. Now next 2.5 meter, 2 meter and 2.4 meter. Okay, again you have to use same formula. Total surface area of a cuboid, 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. 2 into length, length is how much? 2.5, breadth is how much? 2 plus bracket, you have to write it in a bracket. Breadth, height, breadth 2, height is 2.4. Again you have to put bracket plus length, breadth, length, height. Length is 2.5 and height is 2.4. Okay, simply you have to do the multiplication. 2.5 multiplied by 2 means you are getting 50. After one digit there is a decimal point, means here you have to put the decimal point. It is a simple thing. Okay, now 2.5 multiplied by 2.4, again after 2 digit there will be a decimal point, that's why 6.00 you can write it as a 6. Do the multiplication. See, there is a confusion when you doing the multiplication of decimal. 5, 6 and 4.8. Like this you have to write. Some students are doing mistake here. They are writing like this: 5, 6, 5, 6 and 4.8. They are doing the calculation like this, and this is totally wrong. You concentrate when you doing the decimal addition. You have to pay concentration on this, where you have to write the numbers, and this is very very important. Now do the addition. Addition is what? 15.8. You solve the bracket here. Now do the simply multiplication. 31.6 meter square. Here they mention meter, that's why I wrote here meter. If they here they mention centimeter, that's why I wrote here centimeter. It is simple thing. See, please contact concentration. Please pay attention in the formulas, and when you doing the addition, subtraction of decimal, it is very very important. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon button. Thank you.